Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best low-expansion foam is probably one of the most versatile insulation materials in the market, offering a unique blend of energy efficiency, durability, and ease of application for both homeowners tackling DIY projects and large-scale construction companies. In this video, we will explore its key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for your next project. Number 5. Loctite Tite Foam Sealant. This innovative sealant is designed to tackle even the toughest gaps and cracks. It's perfect for sealing and insulating your home, providing long-lasting protection. It expands to fill gaps and cracks, providing a complete and effective seal. No more drafts or energy loss. It's made with high-quality, purified ingredients, so it can withstand harsh UV rays and provide long-lasting results. You can count on it to last. This high-density foam offers superior insulation, helping you save money on energy bills. Its uniform cell structure ensures consistent performance. It's flexible enough to withstand building movement without compromising the seal. Plus, it bonds strongly to most building materials. It adheres to wood, concrete, brick, stone, metal, PVC, and more. It's the versatile solution for all your sealing needs. What we like. It boasts high density for durability and excellent insulation. Its superior flexibility ensures a lasting seal, even with building movement. If you need a strong, adaptable sealant for various materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The can comes with a precision nozzle that makes it easy to direct the foam exactly where it's needed. The foam expands as it's applied, filling in gaps and cracks efficiently. It expands to fill gaps and cracks, providing great insulation. Easy to apply and very effective for sealing areas around the home. Number 4. Great Stuff 99108824 Smart Dispenser. This innovative dispenser makes sealing gaps and cracks easier than ever. Say goodbye to messy application and hello to precise control. It's the ultimate solution for reducing drafts and saving energy around your home. It's so easy to use, anyone can do it. The foam stops exactly where you stop, minimizing mess and wasted material. Enjoy a clean and efficient application. You can use it again and again for up to 30 days. That's a lot of sealing power for your money. Get the precise application you need for a perfect seal every time. It's the smart way to seal gaps and cracks. By sealing those pesky gaps and cracks, you'll reduce drafts and lower your energy bills. It's a win-win. What we like. Say goodbye to messy drips and hello to precise application. Its reusable dispenser saves you money and time. If you value a clean and controlled application, this product is perfect for you. What people say. The product worked great. It expanded and filled the rolls perfectly. It also acted as an adhesive and made the handles very solid and stable. Easily applied and works great. I use this for just about everything to fill cracks and gaps indoors and out. Works amazing. Number 3. Great Stuff 99108862 Smart Dispenser. This innovative foam sealant is designed to make your home more energy efficient. It creates an airtight and water-resistant seal, helping lower your energy bills. It features a new smart dispenser straw for a cleaner application. Say goodbye to drips and messy foam. This dispenser is reusable for up to 30 days, so you can use it again and again for multiple projects. Get precise control with every application. It allows for a neat and efficient seal. It's soft and flexible, so it won't damage your window or door frames. It's gentle on surfaces. It provides superior insulation compared to traditional methods like caulk or fiberglass. It helps keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. What we like. This low-expansion foam creates an airtight seal without distorting your window frames. It's soft and flexible, preventing damage. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective solution for windows and doors, consider this. What people say. This one works great in that position and I am very happy I found it. I have since bought a couple more cans for filling cracks as I find them. What I thought was really great was the fact that the nozzle has a small plug at the end of it that gets retracted back when you squeeze the trigger. When you release the trigger, the little plug moves forward and reseals the nozzle so the remaining unused product doesn't dry out before you need it again. I've used a lot of these smart dispensers now and thought I'd share tips for using it. First of all, after using the old straw for years, this new smart straw is awesome. I'm not dripping foam all over the place anymore, and I honestly can keep using the same can over and over. Some of my cans have lasted over 30 days, by the way. Number 2. CRC 14077 Foam Sealant. This is CRC 14077 Foam Sealant, a versatile solution for all your sealing needs. It creates a permanent, waterproof, and airtight bond on various surfaces. It bonds permanently to masonry, wood, glass, metal, and most plastics, ensuring a lasting seal against the elements. This makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. This sealant features a low expansion formula that expands only 50% when fully cured, providing precise control and preventing messy overflow. This ensures a clean and professional finish. Once cured, it provides excellent insulation with an R5 rating per inch of foam. This helps improve energy efficiency and reduce energy costs. It's UL classified as a caulking sealant, meeting safety standards. The 360-degree spray valve allows for application from any angle, making it easy to use in tight spaces. The innovative applicator system keeps the foam uncured for up to 30 days after initial use. This allows for multiple applications and reduces waste. What we like. Its low expansion formula ensures a precise fill, creating a waterproof and airtight seal. It also provides excellent insulation. If you need a reliable, versatile sealant with great insulating properties, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The key advantage of this foam over other minimally expanding can foams is the non-flammable propellant. Since use of Freon as a propellant was outlawed, all the other brands use propane or similar propellant and are extremely flammable. This one can be used indoors without taking strong precautions to avoid ignition. It works very well for filling gaps around pipes, insulating when installing doors and windows and the like. This expands less and cures denser. It is very useful in areas where expansion of most foams would be a problem. The increased density also makes for a stronger fill. It is also the only one I have found that allows cutting off of the excess after partial or full curing. My fiberglass tub recently produced some small cracks. It was due to all the flexing because there was very little support underneath between the tub bottom and the floor. I purchased 2 cans and sprayed it all. Waited a good 20 hours and have to say that the tub floor is now rock solid. I don't anticipate any further problems at all with the tub flexing or cracking any longer. Number 1. Great Stuff Pro Sealant Kit. This kit has everything you need for professional-grade sealing and insulation. It's perfect for a variety of projects around your home. You get 2 cans of expanding foam sealant, a foam gun for easy application, cleaner, and gloves for a complete and mess-free experience. It fills gaps up to 3 inches, creating a long-lasting, airtight, and water-resistant barrier. It's also fire-rated for added safety. It bonds to most surfaces and is tack-free in minutes. Plus, it's paintable, sandiable, and stainable for a perfect finish. Whether you're working on an interior or exterior project, it's the ideal solution for all your sealing needs. Get professional results with ease. Its vibrant orange color makes it easy to see where it's been applied, ensuring complete coverage and a professional finish. What we like. This kit tackles even the largest gaps with ease, providing a fire-rated seal. It comes with everything you need for a professional finish. If you're tackling a large project and want a comprehensive solution, this kit is for you. What people say. Great product for bigger jobs. The foam is the usual low expansion, but the big cans last forever, and the gun gives you extended can life, no more throwing out a half-full can when the nozzle dries up. The gun is really a must-have for big projects. It's robust, well-made, quality materials. If you've never used one, the flow control knob is really key. You can really be an artist of foam sealing with this thing. You can make a fantastically tiny bead, you can get the tip in tight spaces to inject the foam, you can open or up and blast a 3 spray of foam to cover a panel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.